Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is abstraction in computer science. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is abstraction in computer science? In software engineering and computer science, abstraction is the process of generalizing concrete details such as attributes away from the study of objects and systems to focus attention on details of greater importance. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is abstraction in computer science. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.